Java. So what is the first question? What is Java? First question, what is Java? First question, what is Java? Yes, how to answer this? Simple answer. Yes, what is Java means? Java is an object oriented. Java is an object oriented. Java is an object oriented programming language. Programming language. Programming language. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Means it's a OOPS language. It's a OOP language. Yes, OOP language. It's a OOP language. Okay. So what is Java? Simple answer. What is Java? Simple answer. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Java is an. So what is Java means? Simple answer. Java is an object-oriented programming language. It's a simple answer. Okay. Yes. So why OOP language? Why called as OOP language? We'll discuss next. What's the reason? We'll discuss next. Yes. So first of all, Java software. Yes, JDK. 1 second. Yes, someone is struggling to join into class. Just a minute. Hello. Yeah. Tell me. Call me. Hello. Yes. Same. Just I'll share the link. 1 second. Yes. Okay. Fine. Yes. JDK. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. Yes. JDK 1.0. Yes. It's a first version of Java. Okay. JDK first version of Java. Yes. First version of Java from Sunsoft. From Sunsoft. From Sunsoft. Sunsoft. First JDK 1.0. It's a first version of Java. Okay. JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0. First version of Java from Sunsoft. Yes, released. Yes, released in the market. So released in the year 1995. First version. JDK 1.0 is a first version. JDK 1.0 is a first version. JDK 1.0 is a first version. 1.0 first version of Java from the Sunsoft. Released in the year 1995. So initially 1.0 released with some main features. So 1.0 Yes. See, 1995, in the year 1995, 95. Yes, in the year 1995, that time, yes, I was in engineering second year. In engineering second year. Engineering second year. I was in engineering second year that time. Okay, 1995. Yes, I know the release of Java. Okay, with the great publicity released in the market. In the 1995, I was in engineering second year. Second year. See, my engineering, computer science engineering, yes, JNTU, Hyderabad. JNTU, yes, Hyderabad. JNTU, Hyderabad. Yes, JNTU, Hyderabad. So 1995, yes, computer science engineering, yes, JNTU, Hyderabad. Yes, in main campus. Okay. At that time, we don't have much college. Yes, we have only 9 colleges that time here. 9 colleges. 9 colleges in United Andhra Pradesh. That time AP and Telangana, single state. AP and TS. Okay. So only 9 colleges. 9 colleges, we don't have much college. So getting engineering seat is very great that time. Very great. 9 colleges. Yes, computer science engineering, CSE, only, yes, 360 seats. 9 into 40. Each college only 40 seats. Totally only 360 seats. 360 seats. Okay. At that time, my MSET rank. Yes, my MSET rank. My MSET rank. Yes, anyone can guess it. 366. Only 360 seats. Yes, I'm in general category, OC. I'm belonging to OC category. Now you can imagine my rank. Yes, yes, 1 second. Some guy is struggling to join. Yes, guys, anyone can you guess it? Yes, only nine college. Yes, in throughout that United Andhra Pradesh, AP and Telangana. Yes, computer science engineering, only 366. Yes, I'm belonging to OC category. Yes, my MSET rank 125. Okay. Yes, because of this history, I got immediately job. In final year itself, I got the job with the Motorola company. Final year itself, I got the job here. But after finishing engineering, immediately I was joined the job here. Immediately joined the job. Okay. So even 1 day also no gap. Immediately joined the job. Okay. So that is 1995 what was happened. 1995, I was learning C language. 1995, second year. So 1997 completed engineering. 1997, yes, engineering. Yes, engineering completed. Engineering completed. Completed and joined the job. Completed and joined job. Yes, 8th September. Joined the job. 8th September 1997 joined the job. 8th September. Complete engineering after getting certificate here, immediately next day join into job with Motorola company. 8th September 1997. Yes, joined with Motorola company. Motorola. So Motorola company. This is so because of my MSET rank and all this, I got the job immediately. Okay. Yes. So JDK 1.0, JDK 1.0 first version of Java. JDK 1.0 first version of Java from the Sunsoft. JDK first version of Java from the Sunsoft released in year 1995. Yes. So first version of Java. So first version released released with the main features. Released with the main features as below. Okay, so first version of Java released with main features as below here. First one, independent of platform. Independent of platform. Okay, first one is independent of platform. So JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java. first version of Java released with main features as below. First one, independent of platform. Independent of platform. Yes. Second one, yes, portability. Independent of platform, portability are main features. Independent of platform, portability. Next, Java is an OOPS language. Yes, OOP language. Next, scalability. Yes, then security. Yes, we'll discuss all that features. Security. So these are the main features of. So JDK 1.0 is the first version of Java. So first version of Java released with main features as well. They are the main features. Like independent of platform. Yes, next portability. Yes, portability. Yes, next OOP language, scalability and security. These are the main features of Java. They are the main features. They're the main features of that. Second version, JDK 1.1. Second version. Yes, second version. Yes, second version. JDK 1.1. Okay, released. Yeah, this was released. Yes. Released. Yes, released in the year 1996. In the year 1996. Next year. So first version 95. Second version JDK 1.1 is a second version. Second version released in the year 1996. Okay. Yes, in second version, JDK divided into 3 editions. Only 3 editions. Yesterday it will be 4 editions, right? That fourth edition added later. That also we'll see. So JDK 1.1. The JDK 1.1. Yeah, the JDK 1.1 divided into 3 editions. JDK 1.1 divided into 3 editions. So first one here. Yes, Java SE. So called as J2SE. These are our syllabus. SE. Okay. Java standard. Java, yes, standard edition. Java standard edition. Okay. Yes. So here first one, Java SE, Java standard edition. 3 editions. Initially only 3 editions. Later fourth one added. Okay. Yes, 1.1 divided into 3 editions. First one Java standard edition. Yes, second one here Java Enterprise. Yes, J2W. So J2W here. So this is Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise. Okay. So J2W. Java Enterprise Edition. J2W is a Java Enterprise Edition. Okay. So first Java Standard Edition. Next Java Enterprise Edition. Second one. Next third one here. Yes, JME. So called as J2ME. It's a J2ME. Yes. Java. Yes, Java Mobile. Yes, Java Mobile Edition. Java Mobile Edition. So JDME, it's a Java Mobile Edition. So initially JDK. So JDK 1.1 divided to 3 editions. Okay. Only 3 editions. Later fourth edition added. When fourth edition added, I'll explain. I will explain. So JDK 1.1. Yes, after JDK 1.2. Okay. Yes, this version wise features we'll discuss next. Okay. Version wise, this is not right time to discuss about version wise features. After finishing course, finally you can understand. Okay. So which were version and features. Version wise features I'll explain very clearly after finishing your course. At the end you can understand. This is not right time to discuss. So JDK 1.0, next 1.1, next after that JDK, yes, 1.2, next 1.3, next 1.4, next 1.5, yes, JDK 1. This is main important edition in Java here. JDK 1.5. JDK 1.5. JDK 1.5. Yes, this 1.5 called as Tiger version. It's a Tiger version. So 1.5. It's a Tiger version. It's a Tiger version. Okay, 1.5. It's a Tiger version. JDK 1.5 Tiger version. Tiger version. Yes, in Tiger version here, major changes were done here. Many changes, major changes were done here. Major changes were done. Many features were added. Yes, it's called a Tiger version. Major changes were done. Many features added. Here, the JDK 1.5 features, especially, yes, I'll focus on that. I'll explain what are the features were added here. Yes, many features were added here. Many features were added. Okay, so major changes were done in JDK 1.5. So many features were added. Okay, yes, next, yes, here, fourth edition, one more edition, fourth edition, fourth edition, is called Java FX. Yes, Java FX. Fourth edition added in this one, JDK 1.5. Okay, fourth edition, JFX, Java FX. Okay, added in this version, added in this version. Okay, so JDK 1.5 Tiger version, major changes were done here. Many features were added. So one more edition, fourth edition called Java FX, added in this version. Added in this version. Okay, yes, this version, it was released. Yes, it was released in the year 2004. Okay, yes. So it was released in 2004. Yes, after releasing JDK 1.5, Java got the success. So Java got the success. Success with JDK 1.5. Yes, I know every version. I worked with every version. Okay, since 2000 year I'm working on Java here. Initially my career was the embedded C. 97, 98 embedded C. Yes, 97, 98, 99. Yes, 2000 year started Java career. 2000 year I have changed to Java, started Java career. Okay, I worked almost every version. Yes, I worked on every version of Java here. Okay, so Java got success. Yes, with JDK 1.5. Okay, so Java got the success. Java finally got the success with JDK 1.5. Yes, in the year 2004, right? 2004. How many years it was taken here? Yes, released in the year 1995. So released the first version of Java in the year 1995. Finally got the success in JDK 1.5. JDK 1.4 released in the 2004. Means around 2005 got the success. Okay, so around 2005 Java got the success in the market here. After that, yes, most of the existing projects were converted. That reason also I'll explain. So why most of the existing projects were converted? Okay, see by the year, yes, by the year 2010, here most of the existing projects, converted into Java here, converted into Java, because of its features. That features we'll discuss. Okay, reason I will tell you. So why most of the existing projects converted into Java? That reason also I'll explain here. So most of by the year 2010 here, most of the existing projects converted to Java. So most existing projects means like old projects. Yes, old projects developed in yes, C language. Some projects in C language. Some projects C++. Some projects in VC++. Visual C++ from the Microsoft. Okay. Next, Visual Basic VB. Visual Basic projects. VB projects here. Next, .NET projects. Next, SCP projects. SCP projects also. SCP projects. Okay. Yes. Next, Oracle ERP projects. Okay. Here these projects. Okay. Yes. Oracle ERP projects. Next, Oracle. In Oracle, we have the like reports, forms, even Oracle-based projects also converted to Java because of its features. This not only features here, Java is a freeware. Free of cost, it can be used here. Okay, suppose yes, VC plus Microsoft products, they will charge licensing version. Yes, Visual Basic from the Microsoft licensing. Like .NET also from the Microsoft, they are licensing. These all are licensing products here. SAP also license cost is more here. SAP Oracle ERP projects. So SAP and Oracle ERP, they are very costly here. Costly maintenance cost is more. Yes, in my career, one of the project is conversion projects. SAP project we have converted into Java. SAP, SAP, yes, that client SAP, that project clients, yes, used to pay lot of amount for the maintenance cost, around 2 crores of rupees per annum. 2 crores of rupees per annum maintenance cost only he used to pay. So unable to pay, is not in a position to pay. So that time, yes, approached our company, yeah, through somebody here. So we agreed to convert SAP project into Java projects. We have converted. Now he's happy. So no maintenance cost, free of cost using Java project at free of cost. Java, yes, it's a freeware. Java freeware is different. Open source is different. Java is not a open source. It's a freeware. Open source means the source code can be, you can see here how Java compiler developed here. So what is the code behind of Java compiler? Code behind of JVM we can see, that is called open source. But Java is not open source. We can't see the source code of JVM. Yes, we can't see the source code of compiler. We can't see source code, but you can use it free of cost. Means freeware. Java is a freeware. So because of freeware here, the clients need not to pay any amount here. So here, so easy to maintain the projects. It has become easy, very easy for him here. Now he's feeling very happy with that. Okay, so here, like this here, most of the existing projects, there are many reasons like features, some reasons maintenance cost here. Okay, like this, so many reasons. Yet that reasons we'll discuss. These features in this topic I'll explain. Okay, so why Java got this much of popularity for Java because of these features here. So why Java got this much of popularity? What's the reason for this? That reason we'll discuss in these features here. In these features. Okay. Next year, why most of the existing projects were converted to Java. That topic also will discuss in features. In these features, I'll explain reason. So why most of the existing projects converted to Java? By the year 2010, most of the existing projects were converted to Java. Okay. Yes, in the year 2010, okay, 2010, yes, Oracle Corporation, yes, taken over Java, That means taken over Sunsoft, not Java, Sunsoft company. Okay, so what were the Sunsoft products? All were taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Sunsoft products, Java and OS, Sun Solaris, like Unix base. There is Sun Solaris. And Java. These two things taken over by Oracle Corporation. Now, Sunsoft with Oracle Corporation. In 2010 here, Oracle Corporation, yes, has taken over Sunsoft. Now Java with Sunsoft. Now Java with Oracle Corporation. Now Java with Oracle Corporation. Now Java with Oracle Corporation. See this. Let us check it. Yes. See JDK. Yes, downloads. Okay, downloads. JDK 1.8 or 1.9, whatever you want. You see this. Now connecting to Oracle sites. So Oracle India connected here. From this you can download. So connected to Oracle sites. Okay. Yes, you guys, you need not download. I'll provide the software. So for this purpose, for downloading purpose, you must have the Oracle account. Without Oracle account, you can't download. Oracle account requires. Oracle account requires. Okay, so I have the Oracle accounts. Yes, from my company. My company, they have provided Oracle account here. So using Oracle accounts, yes. Yes, simply I'm downloading whatever the software is required from the Oracle company. Okay. Yes. I have downloaded. Don't worry. JDK 1.8, 1.9, JDK 11, 13, all versions are there. Okay, I'll share with you. I'll share with you. Don't worry. So about JDK software, you need not to worry here. I'll share JDK software and Eclipse. Okay, JDK software, Eclipse and class document. Yes, your class document also share with you. Class doc, JDK software. Yes, next Eclipse and our class document. This is our class documents. All of these things I'll share with you. So you don't worry, guys. About softwares and class notes, you don't worry. Just you try to follow the class. Yes, try to understand what I'm explaining here. So try to understand all of these things. Okay. Just you try to understand class here. Just you watch the class carefully here. So don't deviate your time in writing notes. Don't deviate your time here. Don't write any notes. Running notes not at all required. Running notes not at all required here. I have prepared. I have prepared. You can follow documents. Okay. Here documents in these documents. 1 second. Yes, in these documents. Here it's there. All of this in prepared. Everything very clearly prepared here. Very clearly. Java features, independent of platform and this. All this, every topic prepared very clearly. So don't worry about it. So you guys don't worry about notes here. So this is a JDK 1.5. So JDK 1.5. So finally here JDK 1.5 is a Tiger version. Major changes were done here. So many features were added here. Okay. Yes, that Tiger version features also I'll explain. Okay. So separately I'll explain it here. So JDK 1.5. Yes, of JDK 1.5. Next JDK 1.6. Next 1.7. 1.7. Next 1.8. Yes, 1.8 from 1.8 calling it Java 8. It is Java 8. Java 8. So next Java 8. Next version is Java 9. So next version is Java 11. Java 10 developed but not released in the market here. Java 10 not released. Next Java 12 is there but not released. Next Java 13 released. Java 13 released. Okay. Yes, here now currently industry using Java 8 and 9 here. Okay. Java 11 and 13 not at using here. Not at using here. In our current project, we are using Java 9. Yes, current projects. Okay. Current project we are using Java 9. Okay. So next 11 and 13 already we updated. Our team updated here. Next project may be chance of working on Java 11. Next projects. Next projects. Okay. Yes, we'll discuss all the versions up to 13, up to JDK 13, up to Java 13. I'll explain all the features, version wise features very clearly. I'll explain it. Don't worry. Okay, I'll explain it. Okay. So it's up to 13. Okay, fine. So this is Java history. Initially, Java history is like this. Java history. Okay. Yes, in this. So finally, here Java. Finally, 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 Java divided. Java divided. Java divide into 4 editions, right? 4 editions. Finally, Java divided into 4 editions. Finally, Java divided into 4 editions. 4 editions. Okay. So first three, these three, Java SE, next Java EE, and Java ME. So 3 editions. Apart from this, fourth one is Java FX. Java FX. So Java FX. Fourth one, JFX. Okay, fourth one, JFX. JFX. Okay, so JFX is called as Java FX. This is Java FX here. Java FX. So there are totally 4 editions. Yes, for this don't have the name J2FX. So initially called as J2SE, J2W, JTME. Yes, for FX don't have J2FX. Okay, only these things. Yes, it's there J2SE, J2W, and JTME. Only for these 3 things it's there here. Okay. So first one, Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. So this is our syllabus. So what is Java Standard Edition? Yes, it's a Java technology. This is Java technology. It's a Java technology. It's a Java technology. Okay. Yes, it's a Java technology. That means you learning Java technology. Yes, here you learning Java technology. Java standardization is Java technology. Yes, Java, core Java. Yes, your syllabus core Java. Core Java means Java standardization here, Java standardization. It's a Java technology. So you learning complete Java technology. After learning technology, next application development. Okay. Yes, enterprise. Yeah, this is application development part here. Yes, applications. Applications like see, in our daily life we are using many applications, right? In our daily life using many applications like Facebook. Okay, like a Facebook. Okay, next Flipkart. Okay, next yes, Twitter. Yes, next WhatsApp. Like this many applications. Yes, almost yes, in market 80% of applications were developed in Java only here. Yes, e-commerce applications, 99% of e-commerce applications were developed in Java. All e-commerce applications, 99% of e-commerce applications were developed in Java. Okay, so you can Java application development. Okay, yes, here. So Java interpretation and Java interpretation. So this is application development part. It's application. Yes, application development is the application development. Application development. So this application development. This application development part here. Application development. Java standardization. It's a Java technology. Java interpretation. It's a application development part. Application development. Okay, all frameworks comes on this category. All frameworks is a all frameworks. Yes, all frameworks. Yes, all frameworks comes on this category here. Frameworks. So what are the frameworks? Yes, wait, I'll explain. What are the frameworks in Java? We'll discuss next. I'll explain that also here. So Java standardization, Java interpretation. So next what? Yes, mobilization. Yes, Java mobilization. These were mobile application developments. Mobilization. This is for yes, mobile applications, mobile apps development, mobile apps development, right? Yes, mobile apps. For this Java is poor. In this area, Java is very poor here. Java poor. Yes, Java is poor. For this, Android is the best suitable, no doubt. Android, mobile application development, Android, Android, Android is the best for this. Android is recommended. So this area, mobile application development, Java is poor, is not recommended. So here this area, Android is the best suitable here. Okay, so mobilization. Okay, yes, for these two areas, Java not using them. Java not using these areas. Okay, so in this Java technology and Java interpretation. Yes, in interpretation we have different frameworks. Okay, these Java frameworks leading the software industry. Java frameworks leading software industry. Yes, I'll tell you what are the frameworks. We'll see that. Okay, next Java effects. Java effects. This is for visual effects. This is for visual effects. Okay, like movies and all this visual effects, visual effects, visual effects. Okay, visual effects, visual effect. This area also Java is poor. Java is poor. Okay, so for visual effects here, for this VFX tool is available. VFX tool, the best suitable. VFX. So VFX from the Microsoft. VFX tool from the Microsoft. So this is best suitable in this area. VFX. Okay. Yes. So this is best recommended. So this best one in this area. In this area. Okay. So this area is Java is not using. In this area is using here. So Java standardization, Java interpretation. This area. Let's see Java standardization. What are the features of Java standardization? Java SE features. Of course, yesterday explained. Just review on the yesterday class. Okay. A Java standardization. So what are the features? Yes, let us see features. What are the features of this one here? Features. What are the features here? First one. So what are the features of Java standardization? So first, core part of Java. Core part of Java. Java standardization features. Core part of Java means like data types, Okay, next data types. Next operators. Yes, operators. Yes, operators. Operators. Next control statements. Control statements. Yes, operators. Yes, control statements. Control statements. Data types, operators, control statements. All this comes on the core part of Java here. Core Java is different. Core part is different here. Okay. So core Java means SE. Yes, this SE simply we are calling as core Java. Okay. So core part of Java means compiler part. It's a compiler part. Next apart from this, Java language syntax here. Java language syntax. Java language syntax comes under core part of Java. Okay. So this is the first topic in our syllabus. In our syllabus, a first of core part of Java. Yes, after that. So next, object-oriented programming. Okay. Yes. Oops. Concept. Yes. Oops. Concept features. So next. So Java supports OOPS concept features here. Yes, OOP language, OOP object-oriented programming. So why object-oriented programming was introduced? Yes, main reason to achieve data security. To achieve data security. To achieve data security. To achieve data security. See, before OOP, we have C language. We have C language. Okay, C language 1973 developed. Yes, OOP was introduced in the year 1980, 80s periods. Okay. Yes, object-oriented programming features. So why this OOP concept was introduced here? To achieve data security. First, initially, C is a first high-level language. C is a first high-level language. Okay. In C language, everything is global. In C language, everything is global. Data is global, functions global, everything is global. If it is global, anyone can modify the data. Anyone can access, anyone can modify. Yes, anyone. It's like a public means there is no security for data. To achieve data security here, OOPS concept features were developed. Added to C language and named as C++. Named as C++. So what is C++? See this. C++. What is exact C++? C++. What is exactly C++ here? C++ means what is plus plus? What is plus plus? Yes, increment by 1, right? Plus plus operator increasing value of its operand by 1, increasing by 1. C++. C++ means it's a C language. Yes, C plus 1, right? It's a C++. C++. The C++ means C language plus 1. Okay, C language plus 1 here. C++. Increment by 1. C language plus 1 here. So what is C language plus 1 here? So C language. Yes. C language plus oops. C language plus OOP is a C++. That's it here. Okay. So C++. So C++. Why named as C++? Reason is this. Behind of this reason is this. C language plus OOPS. C language plus OOP is a C++. C++. So initially OOPS successfully tested in C++. Okay, initially OOPS. Okay, C++ supports all features of OOPS. All features 100%. C++ because OOPS tested in C++ only here. OOPS tested in C++ means C++ supports all the features of OOPS. 100% of OOPS here. But Java supports only 80%. Python supports 90%. Python supports 90%. Okay, yes. Java. What are the OOPS features in Java here? OOPS features. So first, initially, OOPS concept introduced with two features. First one, encapsulation. Second one, data abstraction. Second one, data abstraction. First one, encapsulation. Second one, data abstraction. Yes. See, encapsulation and data abstraction. Main purpose of these two features is to achieve data security. So what is encapsulation? We'll discuss next. This is not right time discuss. We'll discuss next. Once enter into Java, just I'm giving overview. Yes, that features overview I'm explaining here. What is exactly encapsulation, data abstraction? We'll discuss next. Yes, in OOPS concept like Java OOPS, we have separate topic in Java OOPS. Okay, that time we'll discuss. Okay, what is encapsulation? What is data abstraction? That time we'll see here. Okay, so you can first initially OOPS was introduced. OOPS introduced with these two features. To achieve data security, these two features were introduced here. Later added many features like method overloading. Yes, method overloading. So method overloading. Yes, after method overloading, next constructors. Constructors added. So constructors added. After constructors, next inheritance. Yes, inheritance. Inheritance added. After constructors, next inheritance. After inheritance here, next method overriding concept. Method overriding. Method overriding. So method overriding. Sorry. Method overriding. Yes, next polymorphism. 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 Yes, next. Yes. See, access space. Access space means just like a scope. Access space tells a scope, like public members, private members, like that. In OOPS concept, public and private concept is there. Before OOPS, C language. C is a functional oriented language. In C language, everything is public. There is no private and something like this. Okay, in C language, everything is public. But when come to OOPS languages like C++, Java, Python, yes, there is a concept of public and private. Public means anyone can access. Okay, private means only particular members can access. Data restricted. Okay, so for the access space. Okay, that's nothing but access space concept here. Access space. Next, access modifiers. Access modifiers. Okay, access modifiers. Access space and access modifiers. Access space 4 types. Access modifiers 7 types. Both are not same. So access space are different. Access modifiers are different here. Next, apart from this, next one more concept. Package concept introduced in Java. Packages. Packages like a header files in C language. Java called as packages. Same thing in C and C++. Header files. Header files. C language header file contains what functions. C++ header file contains functions. Same thing here, package. Here package contains some predefined classes. Comes in library. Packages. It's a Java library. How to create package. That concept here. Package concept here. So these are the features. Encapsulation, data abstraction. Next, method overloading. Method overloading. Yes, next constructors. Next, inheritance. Method overriding. Next, polymorphism. Access space, access modifiers, and packages. Okay. See, not only is in total OOPS here, apart from we have other features like operator overloading is available, but Java does not support. Next, distractors. Operator overloading, distractors, and templates concepts. These three Java does not support. Okay, Java don't have the operator overloading and distractors. Okay, next templates. Java does not support. Okay, Python supports operator overloading. In Python also don't have distractors concepts. Okay, yes, these all features in C++. C++ supports 100% of Java. Oh, yes, sorry, C++ supports 100% of OOPS concepts. Okay, C++ supports 100%. Java 80%. Yes, next Python 90%. Okay, so the OOPS features. OOPS. Yes, after finishing OOPS here, so next one. So these are the features of Java standardization features. Okay, so next string class. Okay, string class. Next string buffer class. Yes, string tokenizer class. String tokenizer. Yes, next string builder class. String builder class. String builder. Okay, yeah, these all are to handle strings only. But all the cases you can't use all. All the cases you can't use all. Some cases string, some cases string buffer, some cases string tokenizer. Depends on the requirements, depends on scenario. We can use different type of classes here. Okay. Yes. After this, next features. Yes. Object wrapper classes. Next one is object wrapper classes. Object wrapper classes. So what is object wrapper class? Object wrapper class to make everything is an object in Java. Suppose if we declare some variable, if we declare int a equal 10, okay, yes, if data in the form of variable, less security. If data in the form of variable, less security. Instead of this creating as objects, storing like object here. Suppose integer I1 is equal to new integer. This is like an object here. Okay, see this 10 storing to I1. I1 is object. Yes, object is something like a box. Object is something like a box. Okay, suppose box. Suppose in our school, in school there's a yes combo box, right? They say combo box. That combo box, right? In that pen, pencils, erasers, and scale, so many things, right? Yes, once box is closed, secure. Same this also. Okay, so data keeping inside of the box and closing like a box. Object is like a box. If it is like a box here, this is security for data. Yes, variable means that is not like a box. It's open. Anyone can see, anyone can access. Okay. So to make everything is an object here, object is like a box. Okay, keeping all the items in the box and closing. Once box closed here, yes, we can't see inside this, right? Same as like that, same as like a closed box. Subject is like a box here, closed box. Okay. Yes, if data in the form of object, there is a security for data, otherwise no security. To achieve more security for data, yes, object wrapper classes for interest here. Okay. Yes, next one is exception. Exception handling. Exception handling. Next feature is exception handling. Exception handling. So what is exception handling here? Exception handling. Exception handling. So what is exception? So what is exception? Exception means it's a abnormal termination. Yes, abnormal. Abnormal termination. Yes, abnormal termination. Exception is a abnormal termination. Okay, suddenly terminating your application. Suppose sometimes some application. Let us take some banking application or Flipkart application. Banking application or Flipkart application. Suppose these applications are connected to database. Now, yes, after connecting database here, maybe reading data from database. Reading, maybe inserting. So while reading data, maybe suddenly network is down. Network is down. What happens here? Network is down. Application fails. Suddenly terminating. Due to network down, suddenly terminating application, failing application. Suddenly terminating application, what happens? Loss of data. Loss of data. That's real data, right? Data reading from database. While reading from database, what a loss of data. Okay. Yes, even network is down, application should not terminate. Application should not terminate. That case, it has to display some message. Message. Yes, network is down. Network is down, server is down. It's reconnecting some message. The application has to give some message. Reconnecting. Please wait for some time. Or please try again here. Submit again. Submit again, that like that. That kind of message. So displaying that kind of message is nothing but exception handling. Abnormal termination handling abnormal termination is a exception handling, the one of the features of yes SE. So next after that IOSTEMS. Yes, IOSTEMS. Next one is IOSTEMS. IOSTEMS, nothing but a file handling. It's a file handling. File handling. Yes, file handling. Yes, in file handling we'll discuss one real-time project here. Here we'll discuss one real-time projects. In file handling, different types of files like text files. Yes, text files, CSV files. Yesterday, little bit discussed about this, right? Text files, CSV files, suppose Excel files, Excel files. Yes, PDF files, PDF files. So text files, CSV files, CSV files, Excel files, PDF files. Next, XML files, various kinds of files here. Next, images, audio, video. How to process all of these things we'll discuss. So in this here we'll discuss one project also. Okay. Next after that, yes, next one collections. Collection components. Collections here. Collections. Nothing but the data structures concept. Like a C language data structures. Here also data structures. Data structures. Data structures concept here. Data structures. In C language, we have the linked list concept, right? Single linked list, double linked list, stack and queue. Single linked list, double linked list, stack and queue. They say data structures concept. Same thing in Java also here. Java data structures is some components like list components. Next queue components. Yes, next queue components. Next third set components. Yes, next set components. List queue set map. Okay, so what's the purpose of these components here? Just to maintain huge amount of data in the application. See, actually data maintained in the database only. Data maintaining database, but some cases we have to maintain the data inside of application only. Suppose instead of database, maybe lakhs of records. Yes, all that lakhs of records have to maintain inside the application itself. Yes, not in data. Sometimes maintain database, but sometimes all that lakhs of records how to maintain in the application itself. So how to maintain lakhs of records? How to maintain lakhs of records in application using data structures? Data structures like list components, queue components, set component, map here. Okay, depends on type of data. Depends on type of data. Like structured data, sometimes structured data, structured data, structured data, structured data. Next second one, unstructured data, unstructured data, unstructured data. Next, semi-structured data, semi-structured. Yes, we'll discuss in actual topic exactly what is different type of data. Yes. Okay. Yes, here structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. So structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. Okay. So different type of format of data getting in real-time projects. But depends on type of data we should use. Suppose structured data for this list and set both are suitable. Okay, unstructured data map is suitable for the unstructured data. Semi-structured data queue is a suitable here. So depends on type of data we have to use this thing here. This is very important topic. Okay, so without collections, no interviews. Even guys are having 10 years of experience also. Even you have the 10 years of experience, definitely they will focus on collections. You must be good at collections. Yes, this is my favorite topic also. I'll focus more on this. Because here in most of the projects we have used without these collections, no projects nowadays. Without collections, no projects. So every time we should use. Okay. I have the yes, lot of experience in collections area. I'll explain very clearly. Yes, including memory map. Okay, not simply explaining here, including memory map. What is happening behind of collections of memory map, including memory map, we'll discuss. Okay, after collections. So next one is networking. So networking. So networking. In networking here, so first TCP applications, next UDP applications. So TCP, it's a one-to-one application. It's a one-to-one. It's a one-to-one communication. Yes, UDP is a one-to-many, 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 one-to-many. Okay, so one-to-one, one-to-one, like a yes, like a yes a telephone. So here one-to-one, like a telephone is one-to-one, right? Yes, one-to-one is broadcasting, radio broadcasting. That kind of applications, one-to-one. Yes, we'll discuss on charting application. Yes, I'll explain on charting app. Okay, like a Facebook. Sorry, like a WhatsApp, chatting application. How can you develop a chatting application? Yes, we'll discuss. So one to many, it's broadcasting. So broadcasting. So one computer delivering data to many computers. The broadcasting application we'll discuss. Okay, after that, next multi-threading. So multi-threading. So multi-threading, right? Multi-threading, one more feature. Multi-threading means see Java application dividing into multiple parts. Multi-threading means application dividing into multiple parts. All are running parallelly. All are running parallel. It's a multi-threading. Okay. These all the features of SE. Next one more. JDBC is a one more features of this. JDBC Java. Yes, database. Java database connectivity. Java database connectivity. So Java database connectivity. JDBC here. Okay. Yes, Java DB database. Java database connectivity. Okay, this is not our course. This is comes on advanced Java. This is advanced Java. JDBC, Solids and JSP comes on advanced Java. Solids and JSP, those things. Next, JDBC. Next, yes. Abstract Windowing Toolkit, AWT. Next, after AWT. So next one, applets. Yes, applets. See, these two were outdated. No one using. 15 years ago, outdated. Yes, it's a part of SE, but these were outdated. These two things are outdated. Yes, outdated. No one using. Outdated. Yes, these are AWT outdated. Okay, AWT outdated. Applets outdated. Suppose any trainer still Yes, teaching AWT means is not updated one. Okay, it's not a real-time person. Definitely, real-time person never discussing about this because never using. Yes, 15 years ago, outdated. 15 years ago, long back. 15 years. 15 years ago, it was outdated. Okay, don't have this. Now don't have these features. 15 years ago only outdated. For this alternative frameworks are there. Frameworks came to the market for this alternative. Okay, our syllabus. Yes, multi-threading up to multi-threading. Our syllabus up to multi-threading. After finishing multi-threading, next version-wise features. All the features here. After finishing multi-threading here, that version-wise features. After finishing multi-threading, yes, version-wise features. So JDK, yes, JDK 1.0, next 1.1, yes, 1.1, 1.2, yes, 1.2, next 1.3, yes, 1.4, next 1.5, that version-wise features. Up to 11, JDK 13, up to JDK 13 we'll discuss all that features. Final topic is version-wise features, version-wise features. So when come to project here, projects in iOS Teams itself, I'll explain about projects. Okay, this is one big project. Next here, this is one small project, starting application. So your complete syllabus. Okay, JDB, this is advanced Java concepts. So the SE features, SE features. To finish this one, it will take for how many days? 75 days. Yes, duration 75 days. Duration 75 days. It will take for 75 days. Okay. Yes, sir. Time 5 to yes 6:30, 1.5 hour class. 6:30 p.m. 6:30 p.m. IST. Okay. Yes, Monday to Saturday classes. That's Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday classes. Okay. Yes. So this is about SE. What syllabus is SE? 75 days. Time 5 to 6:30. Monday to Saturday classes. Okay. Yes. Next. So this is about SE. Next about enterprise. See, enterprise is a frameworks. Enterprise it contains all the frameworks. Enterprise edition. Yes. Yes, all the frameworks. All frameworks come. This application development part here. All the frameworks. So what are the frameworks? Java frameworks. See, the Java frameworks are leading in the industry. Okay, Java frameworks. Spring framework. Spring framework. Spring framework. Spring framework. Okay, next. Hibernate framework. Hibernate. Yes, Hibernate. Yes, Hibernate framework. Hibernate framework. Okay. Yes, these are using for the application development like e-commerce applications. Okay, web applications. Web application websites, company websites. Next, e-commerce applications. So most of the applications, yes, developing using Spring and Hibernate framework. Java application means nowadays application developing Java means compulsory we should use Spring and Hibernate. Nowadays we are using Spring and Hibernate here. Okay, right? Yes. Next, apart from this, other frameworks. Yes, Hadoop framework. Hadoop framework. Yes, Hadoop framework. Here this is using for big data processing. Here, big data for big data purposes. Yes, Hadoop is also part of one framework in Java here. See here, this is yes Spring framework and Hibernate. This is using for the applications apps like e-commerce. We have different kind of applications here. E-commerce applications, online shopping applications like this. Many applications are available here. Banking applications, trading applications. Next, just like the stock exchange applications, many applications. Yes, in market, that applications, web applications running on internet. Yes, applications which are running on internet, applications which are running internet developed in Java. 90% of applications, internet-based applications, 90% of internet-based applications developed in Java only. Yes, application which is running on internet, application which is running internet, that kind of applications all are developed in Java only here. Internet-based applications. Okay. Yes, in all internet-based applications developed in Java only here. Okay. Suppose if not of internet based, maybe some other software, maybe SAP software, maybe .NET, something like this. Okay. Yes. So here Hadoop framework. Yes, Hadoop framework. It's a big data. Yes, big data processing here. Okay, big data processing here. Hadoop framework. Next one is here Spark. Spark also related to the same here. Big data. Spark framework is also for big data. Okay. Yes. Yes. Huge amount of data. Huge amount of data. Yes. Huge amount of data. Yes. This is big data. Yes. Very big data. A huge amount of data. That case we can go for this Spark framework. So these are the frameworks now currently using. Next, one more framework, Struts framework is there, but outdated. Struts framework. Yes, in Java, one more framework, Struts. Struts, very old one framework. Struts framework. Struts framework. Yes, almost outdated. Almost outdated. This also. Okay. Yes. See here, after learning core Java, after learning SE, after finishing SE, you have to decide. You have to decide whether to go to yes the Spring and Hibernate framework or Hadoop framework. But after finishing that, so one is yes. Suppose if you want to develop as yes, if you want to set as Java developer for Java developer for Java developer for Java developer for Java developer. Yes, these two things are required for Java developer. Yes, for big data for big data and Hadoop developers. Big data and Hadoop. Hadoop, yes, for big data, these frameworks. Yes, Hadoop and Spark required. Hadoop and Spark. Hadoop and Spark. Okay. Yes, Hadoop and Spark. So here after finishing SE Java standardization means core Java. After finishing core Java, you have to decide whether settling as Java developer or settling as big data developer or yes. Next one more Selenium tool is there. Selenium. That is also depending on your core Java. Selenium tool. Selenium. For the Selenium, yes, core Java is enough. SE. Yes, Java standardization. Yes, SE enough. Core Java. The groups language enough here. Selenium. For this is enough here. Okay, you can choose after finishing SE, you can go for Selenium automation tool. Automation testing tool. In automation testing tool using core Java. Course you must use core Java. So after finishing Java, yes, you can decide whether to yes go to Java developer or go to Hadoop developer or Selenium. Yes, even data science. In data science also using Java nowadays. Okay, data science. In data science also using Java. Core Java, the groups language. Groups language using data science also. Okay, any of these things. Okay. Generally in markets, most of the technologies are depending on Java only here. So minimum core Java knowledge. So here most of the application development, minimum core knowledge required, core Java knowledge required here. Apart from this, next applications, almost all applications are running on Linux base. So Linux required. Linux and Java, Linux and core Java, minimum requirement for every software engineer. Almost every software engineer nowadays asking Linux base. Linux base is a mandatory for every software engineer. Yes, Java. Yes, 90% of yes software resources required Java core Java knowledge at least here. Okay, but when come to Linux base here, every software engineer now must have Linux knowledge nowadays. Okay, next apart from core Java knowledge also required. Okay. Yes, so this is about Java. Yes, overview completed. Java introduction completed. What is Java? So what is Java? Next, Java history, the JDK 1.0, 1.1, look at different editions and features. Editions and features. Let me save this. 5 p.m. Yes, August month. Yes. Yes, introduction day 2. Yes, I'll share your Gmail. Yes, introduction day 2. This is. Okay. So that's all. So introduction completed. Yes, tomorrow we'll start features like independent platform. How Java made us independent platform? What's the reason behind of this? Next, portability. How it's portable here? These features tomorrow we'll discuss. Yeah, that's all for today. Yes, any doubts, guys? Anyone doubts? Yes, tomorrow also same link. No change in link. Yes, see here. See, unable to connect to yes meeting here. Do one thing. Close your browser and open browser. That is history. Because of history, so maybe getting meeting over. Because of yesterday history, yes, meeting over, getting close browser and you can rejoin. Close browser, you can rejoin. Yes, only go to training little bit issue, but when come to go to meeting, no issues. So next week it's a go to meeting. I think from Monday onwards, it will be go to meeting. So once go to meeting started, no issue with that. Simply happily you can join. Even you need not to fill the information also. The registration form not necessary. Go to meeting will connect directly here. But go to training, the registration form you have to fill, you have to submit. Every day you have to fill and submit. Okay, only till Saturday. From Monday onwards, it's a go to meeting. With go to meeting, no problem. Okay. Yes. Right. Yes. Any doubts? Yes, guys. Any doubts? Yes. Any doubts? If no doubts, yes. Let us wind up session for today. Yes. Tomorrow will continue at 5 o'clock. Same time. Same time. Same link. Okay. Right. Yes. Till Saturday, same time, same link. Even one time no change. Time is fixed here, but link is Monday changing. Yes. Yeah. That's all, guys. Thank you. Yes. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow at 5 o'clock. Thank you.